First fish, baby. He hit good. I don't know, he was pulling me hard for a second, but I'm also just going in the same direction as the wind now. Oh, yep, now he's pulling good. I think it's probably a decent one. Oh, 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 there he is. Where are you, fishy? Ooh, yeah. Not massive probably, but that's probably a decent one. Good one to start the day off on, I'd say. Let's see. Oh, I don't know, that could be a good one. That could be a good one. I still haven't seen like anything other than when he splashed a second ago. You don't want to come up. Yeah, that's a decent fish. There ain't nothing wrong with that fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one out there. Not nice. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come here, fishy, fishy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a decent, that's a solid one. Hell yeah. That's a good way to start the day, baby. Oh no. Come on. Freaking, yeah, these crankbaits and nets just do not agree. They're not each other's friends. What the crap? Oh my gosh. Freaking balls. Pliers. Ow, 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 ow. Hook and finger. Alright. Put it on hook. Give me some water. And breathe a little bit. Yeah, that's a solid one. That is a solid one. Alright, fishy, come here. Time to take some pictures. Oh! He's like, I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that. Yeah, buddy. That's how we start the day here at Sand Hollow. You already know the vibe. That's a fatty. Nice fat one to start the day. Get the sun on him. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful fish. Nice. Alright, let's let him go. Probably had that guy out of the water for maybe a teensy little bit too long, but those freaking crankbaits get so messed up in the freaking thingamabob, it's hard to not. But that was a solid fish. 2-pounder at least. At least, probably more.